How do you come up with a cool name for your YouTube channel? In this video, we're covering the tools, tips, and some of the biggest mistakes I see people making when coming up with an awesome name for your YouTube channel. What's up guys, Nabayo here, and welcome to the Tube Mastery channel where we help you with YouTube. So here's how to come up with a YouTube channel name. This video is broken down to 3 parts. Number 1, how to come up with a name. Number 2, best tools you can use to help. And number 3, mistakes to avoid when coming up with a name. Number 1, how to come up with a name. Easiest way is just to use your first and last name, which is good if you're running a personal brand channel. Think of David Dobrik, Logan Paul, Casey Neistat, Tana Mogu. Pros of using your name: you're building real estate around your name, so if you ever decide to change niches, you'll be good. And you're not limited to any one type of content. Cons of using your name: people might not know what your channel's about, and you might not have the most memorable name. The second option is to use a brand name if you're running a brand channel or a channel where you're not even showing your face in. The pros of using a brand name is that you can make it memorable. You can include what your channel's about in the name. Some examples include Make Money Matt, Epic Mealtime, Animal Facts, Top 15, Brainy Dose, and Quantum Tech HD. For example, if your channel is about technology, you could use Tech Titans as a name. Alliteration or using the first letter multiple times is good too. For example, Matt Parr has a channel named Make Money Matt. Think about how you can make it memorable or sticky so people don't forget it. Alliteration is a great way of doing this. A great example is the channel Charisma on Command, which is a great name. Number 2, tools. Shopify Business Name Generator. Links to all the tools mentioned will be in the description. The Shopify Business Name Generator is a great way for you to find names for your YouTube channel. What I recommend is putting some names in related to your niche and seeing what they bring up. Instant domain search. Put in some keywords and then go to the domain generator. Number 3, naming mistakes. Number 1, not checking to see if other big channels are using your name. Not just because of the copyright, but also the difficulty to rank if there's other bigger channels or established brands that use that name. This is also the same with a personal brand because you can't help if there's someone who has the same name as you and they're also famous. So think about variations you could do with your name. If your name is Tyler and someone else famous is also named Tyler, then think of variations like Tyler's Top 10s or Tyler the Creator. Here's a bonus tip on how to check if a name is taken. Go to this global brands database website. This will show you if any companies are using the same name that you might have copyright troubles with in the future. Number 2, not checking to see if the name's available on social media accounts. This isn't necessary, but it could be nice to have. It's nice if you're trying to sell products or establish a name outside of YouTube. Namecheck.com is a great tool to check this. Number 3, having a hard to spell name. Make sure your name is easy to remember. This helps with word of mouth if you're telling someone about your channel. Gary Vaynerchuk is hard to say, spell, or even remember. That's why he shortened it to Gary V. Number 4, not having a domain name. This isn't necessary, but if you're trying to build a brand, it's a very good idea. You can always just redirect your domain name to your YouTube channel. Instant domain search is a great tool for this. Bonus: same name. Now at this point, a lot of you guys are asking, Nabayo, what if there's another small YouTube channel that's using the name that I want to use? Is that okay? That's a great question, and the answer is yes. It's totally okay as long as the other channel is kind of small and has less than a couple thousand subscribers. Because if you follow all the tips we're giving you here on the Tube Mastery channel, you're gonna definitely surpass them. Just check with the brand database I showed you earlier just to double check if there's no other big channels or companies using your name. Bonus: are channel names important? Now, even though we went through some of the best tips to choose a great channel name, to be honest, the names don't really matter that much. The channel Top 15s, for example, publishes scary videos, and the channel Dream uploads gaming videos. Neither of these channels are defined by their name, they're defined by what they do and what they upload, which will be the same for your channel. And Matt Parr, who runs multiple channels, told me that some of his top channel names aren't even related to what they upload. So that kind of proves the point that the names don't really matter much. Speaking of Matt, he put together a free training where you could attend and learn how to make money on YouTube without actually making videos. Link in the description for that. But no matter what type of channel you're thinking of running, the key here is to choose a great name and move on to the next step, which is generating content and growing your channel. If you want to discover how to grow your channel, check out this video next to me right here. It'll teach you how to get views and subscribers fast. And I'll see you in the next video.